Hello everybody, this is alessiamessuti from the International Training Center of the ILO based in Turin. I made this short video to introduce you the main characteristics of the mobile learning toolkit created for the Start and Improve Your Business training, currently activated in the Youth Entrepreneurship Facility in Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda. This toolkit has been created to integrate face-to-face and e-learning phases of the training, and it has been conceived as a toolbox for SIYB trainers. With adding a mobile learning component, SIYB trainers will be able to choose among different mobile methodologies and tools to be used to extend the learning experience out of the classroom. First of all, let me clarify that you can find this toolkit either online by simply connecting with the ITCILO Learning and Technology blog. Just type itcilo.wordpress.com and look for the Mobile Learning Toolkit for Young Entrepreneurs. Also, this toolkit has been uploaded on special USB cards to be distributed among SIYB trainers, where you can have access to all materials offline. Let's now have a look at the toolkit. First of all, you can see that on the left screen you can see a sidebar menu. Use this menu to navigate through the toolkit. Click, for example, on Table of Contents to better visualize the main components of the toolkit. You can see that there are 5 main sections: Why Mobile, the toolkit, methods, tools, additional resources. To get in touch with us, click on Contacts. Here you will find all the necessary information and email to get in touch with us. Click on Previous button to go back to the Table of Contents. Let's now have a look at each of these sections more in details. The Why Mobile sections in particular gives an overview of the mobile learning and mobile society concepts. It lists mobile learning benefits, but in particular we also wanted to stress how mobile learning is important for entrepreneurs, and we also wanted to integrate direct feedback from SIYB trainers by, for example, integrating the interviews that we made at the YEF regional workshop in Nairobi. What you can see now are screenshots from the interviews recorded during that event. From the section The Toolkit, you will understand how to practically use the toolkit. It is first of all important to understand that the toolkit has been conceived to be used in the context of SMS-based technologies and devices rather than smartphones. Therefore, it supports learning and interaction through SMS-based methodologies and tools. The methods are divided into 4 main categories: deliver content, assign tasks, gather feedback, and provide support. The trainer can choose which methodology is best to achieve the purpose he needs to achieve in the context of the training. In the sections called Methods, you will find a list of 14 methodologies. Click on each of them to get more information. The first one, for example, is called Seeds of Inspiration. Let's have a look. You can see that here you have a short paragraph providing introductory information about the method, and then you have 3 gray buttons. If you click on each of them, you will have access to different information. On the first one, by clicking on the first one, you can watch a short animated instructional video explaining the essence of the method. By clicking on the second one, you get access to some practical instructions on the what, why, when and how of the method. And finally, by clicking on the third one, you can download a PDF guide explaining you how to use the specific method in the context of the SIYB training, and you can have access to this information offline and on the go. Also, the Tools section is quite detailed. It is divided between SMS-based tools, audio recording, polling, and additional online tools. To give you an example, let's click on Twitter SMS. You can see here that you have a short description of what Twitter is, and then you can download a scenario, you can read some instructions online, or you can decide to quickly go to download the PDF guide and again access all the materials offline. Thank you for your attention, and